Okay, just arrived, new screen for our Dell G3 gaming laptop, which is only a few months old, but unfortunately somebody dropped it. So ordered the screen from laptop lcdscreen.co.uk, and it arrived today. So already removed the old screen because you have to remove the screen to get the actual model number you needed. So it was fairly simple. I just used an old child's toy, put it in, and all the clips came out very easily. Now got the model number, so it was Dell 024GYY. I see sometimes people use that code, but I couldn't actually get that directly off the website. Okay, just one thing to keep in mind is that I haven't seen anywhere else is that the connector has a little latch there, which I had to basically lift up in order to remove the connector. So as you see in some of the forums, it's got lots of sticky tape. I haven't got replacement tape, so I'm just gonna reuse that. Okay, so let's see if this works. Okay. Can remove this at the end. Don't think there's anything else we need to remove, so basically we just need to plug in this connector and then put the bezel back on. Okay, so here goes. Snip that up. Yeah, I think that's it. Just put the latch back down. Don't think that did it. I think that did it. Okay. So I think the latch is in position. Cable is secure. Okay, so hopefully all that's needed is just to put that in place. Take the protective foam off. This is done. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put the bezel back. Let's quickly just power on and see if the screen works. Before we put the bezel back on, just in case we waste our time. Okay, let's shut that down again. All that remains is to push the bezel back. Okay. I believe that's all that's there to it.